Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Ibrahim over here from channel Teaching by SM, and today we'll be discussing Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics 0580 paper 4. One intention of making these videos is that for the 6 months, whatever revenue will be generated, it will be donated to the Palestinian people. So I will request all the viewers to kindly support our cause. Jazakallahu khairan. We have question number 56. Thomas sells a computer, a bike and a phone, right? And the amount he receives are in the ratio, we have given the ratio as well, right? 14:17:9 for the ratio computer, bike and phone. Calculate the amount he receives for the phone as a percentage of the total. Okay, so for phone the value is 9 ratio and the total 14 plus 17 is 31 plus 9 40 multiplied by 100 because he is asking for the percentage, right? So 9 upon 40 multiplied by 100, we are getting 22.5%. 22.5%. Okay, question number 2, part 2. The total amount he receives for the bike is the $560. Calculate how much the total amount he receives is $560. Calculate how much he receives for the bike. So the bike, the ratio is 17 and total is 40 and total amount is 560. We will get the amount for the bike. So 17 upon 40 will have 560, $238, right? Okay, Thomas originally bought the bike for $195. He wanted to make a profit of at least 25% when he sold it. Does Thomas make a profit of at least 25%? So in order to check it, we need to take out the percentage profit, which is equals to selling price, that is 238, and 195 was the price on which he purchased. Upon purchasing price multiplied by 100, putting the value in the calculator, we are getting 22%, which is not 25%. So no, he does not make a profit of 25%. Ula invests $725 for 6 years in an account paying simple interest at a rate of 1.3% per year. Calculate the total interest earned at the end of 6 years. Simple interest formula is equals to PRT upon 100. P is the principal amount, that is 725. Rate is 1.3% and number of years is 6 upon 100, right? So 725 multiplied by 1.3 multiplied by 6 by 100, we get 565.5 as interest. $725 multiplied by 1.3 multiplied by 6, 56.55. Sorry, that is 56.55. I was thinking that how can interest be so much, right? As 1.3%. Okay. Part C, in a sale, all prices are reduced by 24%. Victor pays 36.86% for a pair of shoes in the sale. Calculate the original price of the shoes. Now here the price has reduced by 24%. So definitely the amount which he has purchased it will be 100 minus 24. That is 76%. So total multiplied by 76% upon 100 is equals to 36.86. So x is equals to 36.86 multiplied by 100 upon 76, right? 36.86 multiplied by 100 divided by 76, 48.5. Okay. Question number 57. The average distance of Mars from the Sun is 2.279 exponent 8 kilometers. Right? Write this distance as an ordinary number. So ordinary number means that I have to convert my standard form into normal form, and in order to convert it, I just need to remove the exponent, that is 10 power 8, and to remove that I just need to shift the decimal places to 8 decimal places simply, right? So 2.279 exponent 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 0 0 0 0 0. So 5 zeros additional, 2279 0 0 kilometers. Clear? Okay, the planet Uranus has a diameter of 35 has a diameter that is 35.8% of the diameter of Jupiter. So Jupiter has 1.43,000. We have to calculate the diameter of Uranus. So that is 35.8 of this. So simply 143,000 into 35.8, 100. That we are getting 51194 kilometers. The ratio of diameter of Neptune to diameter of Saturn can be written in the form 1:n. So find the value of n. Diameter of Neptune is 49500, and diameter of Saturn is 120500, right? 1:n means you have to finish 49500. So divide both with this, you'll get 1 over here, 120500 upon 49500. So what we are getting is 2.43. So 2.43 after dividing this, right? That is n. Okay, part 4 is find the average distance of Neptune from the sun as a percentage of the average distance of the Earth from the sun. Average distance of Neptune from the sun as a percentage of the average distance of Earth from the sun. Neptune from sun distance is 4.495 exponent 9, and average distance of Earth from sun is 1.496 exponent 8 multiplied by 100. So putting these values in calculator, what we are getting is 3004.68. 3004.68, right? I hope that's clear. Okay, moving forward, we have distances within the solar system are also measured in astronomical units. The average distance of Jupiter from sun is 5.20 AU. Calculate the average distance of Mars from the sun in astronomical units. Okay, we have the average distance of Jupiter is in kilometers 7.786 exponent 8. 7.786 exponent 8. In astronomical units, it is 5.20. So if I convert using unitary method, that 1 kilometer is equals to 5.20 divided by 7.786 exponent 8. 5.20 upon 7.786 exponent 8, right? So we are getting 5.20, 7.786 exponent 8, 6.678 exponent 9. So 1 kilometer 6.678 exponent minus 9. Now I need to convert the distance of Mars from the sun, 2.279 exponent 8. 2.279 exponent 8. So just multiply on both sides by this. So 2.279 exponent 8 multiplied by 6.678 exponent minus 9. So 1.52. 1.52 AU. The diameter of Mars is 39.2% greater than the diameter of Mercury. Diameter of Mars is given to us, diameter of Mercury is not given to us. So diameter of Mars is 39.2% greater, right? That is 6800, which is 39.2% greater. It means that if I multiply it by the diameter of Mercury, I will use 139.2 because it is greater than mercury, right? So 100% is the value of mercury, and multiply the additional amount 39.2, that is 139.2%, right? So 6800 multiplied by 100 upon 139.2, we are getting 4885 kilometers. 1 light year is the distance that light travels in a year of 365.25 days. The speed of light is this. Show that 1 light year is this. We have time, we have speed, we have to calculate the distance. So speed is equal to distance upon time. Distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. So speed is 2.9979 multiplied by 10 to the power 5. Time is 365.25 days multiplied by 24 hours multiplied by 60 into 60, right? So we have 2.9979 exponent 5 multiplied by 365.25, 24 multiplied by 60 multiplied by 60, 9.46 exponent 12. Okay, so 1 light year is equals to 9.46 minus 112. The distance from the Andromeda galaxy to Earth is 2.40 exponent 19. Right, distance is 2.40 exponent 19 kilometers. Calculate the time taken for the light to travel from this galaxy to Earth. Time we need to calculate an answer in millions of years. And we know that speed of light is 2.9979 exponent 5. Okay, so time is equals to distance upon speed. Distance is 2.40. This is 2.9979 exponent 5. Now the answer which we will be getting, it will be in seconds, right? Exponent 19 upon 2.9979 exponent 5. The answer which we are getting, it is in seconds. That is 8.005, and we need to convert it into million years, right? So 8.005 exponent 13 divided by 24 divided by 60 divided by 60 divided by 24, right? divided by 365.25 days, that is in years. Now coming in million of years, right? So divided by 60 into 24 into 365.25. Now converting into millions of years. So 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, million, no, lakh and million, right? So dividing by this, we are getting 2.53 million years. Clear? Question number 58. ACD is a right angle triangle. B is on AC and BC is equal to 54.5 meters, right? And the angle ABD is 38 degree. AD is 83.2. Calculate angle ACD. Now to calculate angle ACD, that is this angle, I need to know two sides of this triangle ACD. That is 83.21 is known to me, and the other one part is empty. So first I will use this triangle, that is ABD, which is having angle 38 and which is side 83.2. I will take out AB first. So we can apply the formula cos 38 AB. No, we cannot apply cos because we don't know hypotenuse. So we should apply tangent. Yes, tangent 38 is equals to 83.2 upon AB. So AB is equals to 83.2 upon tangent 38. So 83.2 upon tangent 38 is 106.4. So we are getting the side 106.49, right, of AB. Okay, now we have found 106.49 as length of AB. Now we have the bigger triangle. We just want to find out the side CD, right? We just need to find the side CD, and we know all the other sides of the triangle. Am I right? Okay. So applying the formula, we have this. This is basically a right angle triangle. We have base, we have perpendicular. So hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus perpendicular square using Pythagoras theorem. So we have base as 106.49 plus 54.5, that is 161 basically, and perpendicular is 83.2, right? So 161 square plus 83.2 square, we are getting okay. We need to we are finding this side, right? But if we don't know this side and we have to find out this angle, so we don't need to find out hypotenuse. Okay, that is not needed, right? So to find out this angle, we have two sides. We can apply cos, we can apply sine as well. So we apply cos angle C is equals to, again not cos because hypotenuse is not known. We will apply tangent to tangent. Angle C is equals to perpendicular upon base, that is 161, right? 54.5 plus 106.5, that's 161, right? Tangent inverse of 83.2 upon 161, that is 27.32. So C is equal to 27.32. Okay, part B, EFG is a right angle triangle. Circle can be drawn that passes through three vertices of the triangle, right? On the diagram, mark the position of the center of the circle with a cross. Explain how you decide. Now since it's we need to find out the position on which we should keep the compass so that the circle made can touch the three vertices. So it should come in mind that this will be basically, and you all know that this is a right angle triangle, right? It is containing the right 90 degree, right? This is a property of a circle that whenever from diameter the angle is made is 90 degree. So it means that the center of the circle would be the midpoint of the line FG. That would be somewhere here. Clear? Okay. So midpoint of FG, right? And we have to tell that angle in a semicircle is 90 degree, right? Okay. Question number 58 part C. We have in triangle LMN the ratio angle LMN is 456. In triangle PQR we know our lengths. Calculate the difference between the largest angle in triangle PQR and the largest angle in triangle LMN. We know that in triangle first we are working for LMN, right? Ratios are given and we know the total angle, that is 180 of the whole triangle. So the biggest angle which will be formed, it will be formed from the biggest ratio, that is 6. So 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 plus 6 15. 6 upon 15 multiplied by 180, that is the whole angle of a triangle. 6 upon 15 multiplied by 180, we are getting 72. So biggest angle of triangle LMN. Now for triangle PQR, we know all three sides, so we can apply cos law in order to find out the angles. So first for P, cos P should be equal to 4 square plus 6 square minus 5 square. Opposite side should be with minus 2 into 4 into 6. So P comes out to be, applying the formula in the calculator, so P is coming out to be 56. 55.77, I'm taking it as 56. Then Q, cos Q is equals to 6 square plus 5 square minus 4 square on 2 into 6 into 5. Cos Q is, putting calculator, 41.4, so I'm taking it as 41. Now cos R is equals to 4 square plus 5 square minus 6 square to 2 into 4 into 5. Taking inverse of this whole value, we are getting 83 as round of value, right? So 83 is the largest angle. Difference of the largest angle of angle PQR, that is 83 minus, okay, the value which we are getting over here is 82.8. So we will take 82.8 as largest, and the largest value over there is 72. So 82.8 minus 72, that is 10.8, right? Okay, clear? Question 59, the value of Priya's car decreased by 10% each year. Okay, the value today is $7,695. Calculate the value of the car after 1 year. Okay, value today is 7695. So 7695 principal decreasing, so 1 minus R upon 100 since 1 year. Put in the value in calculator. Okay, we are getting the answer 6925.5. 6925.5. Calculate the value of the car 1 year ago. 1 year ago means the final value is this, that is 7695, right? And the initial value he is asking, final value is now 7695. Principal value we don't know, that is x, and letting it x, 1 minus n upon 100. So the value which we are getting is 8,550. Okay, clear? So Kelly invests $600 at a rate of 2% per year simple interest. Calculate the value of Ali's investment at the end of 5 years. So I is equals to Ali's investment, not the interest values. First we will take out interest, then we will add it up. So principal is 600 multiplied by rate is 2 multiplied by 5 upon 100. So 0 0 cancels, 6 2 is 12, 12 5 is 60. 60 plus 600 is 660. $660. Sarah invests $500 at a rate of R% per year compound interest. At the end of 12 years, the value of Sarah's investment is 601.35. Correct to the nearest cent. Find the value of R. Okay, she's investing $500 compound interest, and the final value is known to us, that is 601.35. Principal is 500. 1 plus the rate we don't know, we need to find out. and 12 years. Clear? So 601.35 upon 500, 1 plus r upon 100 power 12. 601.35 upon 100, 500, 1.2027 is equals to 1 plus r upon 100 power 12. Now to take out the value of r, we need to remove exponent sign, that is 12. So applying log on both sides. So ln 1.2027 is equals to ln 1 plus r upon 100, 12. 12 comes in front of this, right? Oh no, we should not apply log over here. We just need to remove 12 sign, 12 power. Okay, so log, if we apply log, so it cannot be separated. So just remove to 12. We need to apply root of 12 root, right? So that 12 finishes by 12, right? And the 12 root of 1.2027 is 1.015 is equals to 1 plus r upon 100. So it will be subtracted from 1. We are getting 0.0154. 49, so 0.155 is equals to r upon 100. Multiply by 100, we get 1.55. So r is equals to 1.55. Is it clear? Okay. So we need to see that which operation to apply. There was an ln log sign, and there was the second thing was we should apply root. So when we are to find out this, we have to remove this. We have always apply the root, right? Okay. And if this would have been unknown, n was unknown and r was given, so we would apply log, right? The mass of a radioactive substance decreases exponentially at a rate of 3% each day. Find the overall percent decrease at the end of 10 days. At the end of 10 days, right? So 3% each day. 3% each day. So first apply the formula for compound interest. A is equals to P 1 minus r upon 100 power n. So A is equals to P, we don't know any values. 1 minus r is 3%, 100 power n is 10 days. So just using this, we can get the overall percent decrease from here. 1 minus 3 upon 100. So this is 0.737, right? The answer for this factor is 0. For this factor is 0.737. 0.737. Now percentage decrease means we have to use this formula. Percentage decrease. The actual value was 1, right? The now value is 0.737 upon 1 minus 0.737 under 100. 1 minus 0.737 is the value, right? And percentage decrease is equals to 1 minus 0.737 Okay, upon 1 multiplied by 100. So 1 minus 0.737 upon 1 multiplied by 100 is 26.3%. Like percentage, we take out percentage degrees. The formula is initial value minus final value upon initial value, right? Find the number of whole days it takes until the mass of the substance is 1/2 of its original amount. Find the number of whole days it takes until the mass of the substance is 1/2 of its original amount. Okay, so A is equals to P 1 minus R upon 100 power N. So if principal is X, now amount is X upon 2, final amount, right? 1 minus R is 3. So X upon 2X is equals to 1 minus 3 upon 100 is 1 minus 3 upon 100 is 0.03, 0.97. 0.03 minus 1 basically, so 0.97 power N. So X get cancelled with X, 1 upon 2 is equals to 0.97 power N. Now see what I told you in the previous question. Here we are to find out N. So in order to find out N, we have to apply log. So ln 1 upon 2 is equals to ln 0.97 power N is equals to N ln 0.97. So N is equals to ln 1 upon 2 upon ln 0.97. ln 1 upon 2 upon ln 0.97, 22.75. So the complete days is 23. Question number 60 is, we have the table shows the amounts received when exchanging $100 in some countries. Brad changes $250 into Indian rupees. Calculate the amount he receives correct to the nearest rupee. $100 is equals to Indian rupees is 7437.05. 7437.05 rupees. So you need to convert $250. So $250 is equal to 7437.05 100 multiplied by 250, right? 7437.05 multiplied by 250 divided by 100. We have 18592.625. 18592.625. We can write it that as 18593. Nearest rupee, correct to the nearest rupee, 18593 rupees. Wang changes 5400 Chinese yuan into dollars. 5400 Chinese yuan into dollars. So 671.20 yuan is equals to $100. Right? 5400 Chinese, so 100 upon 671.20 multiplied by 5400 yuans. So 100 upon 671.20 multiplied by 5400, 804.53. 04.53. Gretel lives in Spain and goes on holiday to Wales. She spends 3,500 euros in total on travel and hotels in the ratio 4:3. Travel total ratio 4/3. Work out how much Gretel spends in euros on travel. Travel is 4, total is 7, and the total amount which she is spending is 3,500. Put in calculator, we get 2,000 euros. Work out how much she spends in pounds on hotels. In pounds on hotels. So since she's spending 2,000 on travel, so 1,500 on hotels definitely. Okay, and we need to convert basically 1,500 euros into pounds. So pound to euro is convert it into pounds. 1500 euros into pounds. So pound to euro is relation is euro and pound. So 85.35 euro is equals to 77.05 pounds. So we need to convert 1500 euros to 77.05 upon 85.35 multiplied by 1500. 05 upon 85.35 multiplied by 1500. So 1354.13 pounds. Okay. Cradle flies home to Spain. The plane flies at a distance of 2200 kilometers. Direct to the nearest 100 kilometer. Average speed of the plane is 740 kilometers per hour. Direct to the nearest 20 kilometers per hour. Calculate the lower bound of the time taken in hours and minutes for this flight. So first, upper bound of distance 100 kilometers divided by 250. So 2200 plus 50, 2250 is upper bound, and lower bound is 2150, 2200 minus 50. For speed 740 kilometers, correct to the nearest 20 kilometers per hour. So 20 divided by 2 is 10. So upper bound of speed is 750, and lower bound of speed is 740 minus 10 is 730. Calculate the lower bound of the time taken in hours and minutes. So speed is equal to distance upon time. So time is equal to distance upon speed. So in order to take out the lower bound in division case, we put lower bound on top of and numerator and upper bound in the denominator. So lower bound in the numerator, that is 2150, and upper bound in the denominator, that is 750. So 2150 upon 750 is 2.86 hours. So I need to answer it in hours and minutes. So 2 hours, and in order to convert minutes, 0.86 multiplied by 60. So 0.86, 60 is 51.6. So we will take it as 52 minutes. Clear? Question number 61. We have the table shows the number of each type of bird seen in a garden on Monday. Right? Find the percentage of the birds. We are given this data, which you can see over here. Find the percentage of the birds that are starlings. Starling is 11, and total birds are frequency of birds are 8 plus 6 14, 14 plus 11 25, 25 plus 5 is 30. 11 upon 30 multiplied by 100. Take out the percentage. We are getting that 36.66%. On the table, complete the column for the pie chart sector angle. Okay, table. So 6 upon 30, the total pie chart means a circle. Circle contains total is 360 degree. 6 upon 30 multiplied by 360. We are getting 72. For starling, 11 upon 30 multiplied by 360. 11 upon 30 multiplied by 360, we are getting 132. And for robin, 5 upon 30 multiplied by 360, we are getting 60 degrees. Complete the pie chart to show the information on the table. So we have given this goldfinch for 96 degrees. Now I am using this scale, and in this scale we have basically this angle as 174. Right? Now to draw further, what I will do is I will add 72 first in this. So 174 plus 72. This is 174 plus 72. But it is, it's subtracting. So I will subtract 174 minus 72. 102. So I will make this at 102. See, this is J. right? Okay, now 102 further subtract 60, 42. So on 42 I will be making the third one. This is 45. It's moving to 45, right? I don't know. Okay, it's not complying with this, so let's work for uh, not for 60. We did first for 72, right? So 174 minus 72, then we do for 132, so it's minus 30, right? So minus 30 means that when we will be moving here, sorry, so we started with this 102, and the 102 minus 132 is minus 30. So this is now going towards 0, 0, now 30, adding 30, so it will be 180 plus 30 is 150, right? So this will be this will be 132, that is starting, and the last will be of course Robin, that is 60. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Looking forward for more, inshallah. Jazakallahu khaira. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yes, one part